Are you looking for the best scratch remover for car in your budget? Well, in today's video, we break down the top 5 best scratch remover for car that are available on the market. Starting at number 5, we have the Chemical Guys VRP Vinyl, Rubber and Plastic Dressing. It works well on tires, exterior trim, bumpers, dashboards, door panels, weather stripping, and engine bay plastics, making it useful for anyone who prefers one product for several detailing jobs. VRP creates a clean satin appearance that deepens the look of faded materials without producing an excessively glossy or wet finish. Its non-greasy formula dries to the touch, helping treated surfaces resist dust and dirt better than oily dressings that remain sticky. The product also helps protect vinyl, rubber, and plastic from fading, cracking, and discoloration caused by regular sun and weather exposure. To apply it, clean and dry the surface. Spread a small amount with a foam applicator or microfiber towel, and then wipe away any excess for an even finish. Additional coats can be used when a slightly richer appearance is preferred. Suitable indoors or outside. VRP is practical for routine maintenance after washing or deep cleaning. Overall, it offers an easy application, natural-looking results, and broad surface compatibility for drivers who want a freshly detailed appearance without greasy residue. Moving on, at number 4, we have the Chemical Guys Heavy Duty Water Spot Remover. The Chemical Guys Heavy Duty Water Spot Remover is a 16-ounce gel developed to tackle stubborn mineral deposits, calcium buildup, and hard water stains on automotive surfaces. Its thick consistency allows it to cling to vertical glass and body panels longer than a watery cleaner, giving the active formula more time to loosen embedded marks. It can be used on clear-coated paint, exterior glass, chrome, aluminum, stainless steel, polished metal, and other compatible hard surfaces. Application is simple. Place a small amount on a microfiber applicator, gently work it into the affected area, let it dwell for roughly 30 to 60 seconds, and then wipe or rinse the surface clean. Severe or long-standing spots may require 2 or 3 applications, especially when mineral deposits have begun etching the finish. Beyond cars and trucks, the gel can also be useful on motorcycles, boats, RVs, and selected household glass or metal surfaces. Removing water spots before applying wax, sealant, or ceramic protection can improve bonding and help the protective layer perform more consistently. This product is best used carefully on a cool, clean surface, with the test spot completed first. Overall, it is a targeted detailing solution for restoring smoother, clearer, spot-free surfaces. At number 3, we have the Car Guys Plastic Restorer. At number 3 is the Car Guys Plastic Restorer, an 8-ounce detailing kit made to revive faded plastic, rubber, and vinyl surfaces inside or outside a vehicle. It can be used on trim, bumpers, dashboards, door panels, seals, and other non-painted surfaces that have lost their rich, clean appearance over time. The formula is designed to renew, seal, and protect treated materials while producing results that may last for several months under normal conditions. A major advantage is its water-repelling performance, which helps the finish resist rain-related streaking after application. Unlike many oily trim gels, this restorer dries to the touch, reducing greasy residue and making it less likely to transfer onto hands, clothing, or detailing towels. The kit also includes a foam applicator, allowing the product to be spread evenly across textured or smooth surfaces. For best results, clean and dry the area, apply a small amount, work it into the material, and allow it to cure before exposure to moisture. Car Guys Plastic Restorer is a useful choice for drivers who want a natural-looking, refreshed finish rather than an overly wet shine. Proper surface preparation remains important, especially on heavily oxidized or previously dressed trim. At number 2, we have the Carfidant Scratch Repair and Swirl Remover. Next is the Carfidant Scratch Repair and Swirl Remover Kit, an easy-to-use solution for improving paint affected by light scratches, swirl marks, oxidation, water spots, and everyday wear. The kit includes an 8.4 fluid-ounce bottle of polishing compound and a buffer pad, giving car owners the basic tools needed to begin correcting minor surface imperfections at home. Its specially formulated compound helps smooth the appearance of damaged clear coat while restoring gloss, color, and shine to faded-looking paint. The formula is designed for use on different paint colors, and is suitable for clear coat, single stage, and multi-stage finishes. Application is straightforward. Clean and dry the affected area, add a small amount of product to the included pad, then work it into the surface using controlled circular motions before wiping it clean. Because the product combines correction and polishing benefits, it can refresh sections that look dull or weathered without requiring professional detailing equipment. This kit is best suited for fine scratches and surface-level marks, rather than deep damage that has cut through the paint. Overall, Carfidant offers a convenient option for drivers who want to improve their vehicle's appearance and restore a cleaner, glossier finish with minimal tools and experience. And finally, at number 1, we have the Meguiar's Ultimate Compound. It uses advanced micro-abrasive technology to remove light scratches, swirl marks, oxidation, water spots, and other below-surface defects, while improving paint clarity, gloss, and color depth. One of its main advantages is its fast-cutting action, which can reduce the time and effort needed to bring tired paint back to life. The formula is safe for clear coats and all glossy paint finishes, helping users correct imperfections without leaving noticeable haze or additional swirls. It can be applied by hand for smaller areas or used with a dual-action polisher when working across larger panels. For the best results, wash and dry the vehicle first, apply a small amount to a clean applicator, and work one section at a time before wiping away the residue. Meguiar's Ultimate Compound is a practical choice for DIY car owners who want a smoother, brighter, showroom-like finish before waxing or applying paint protection. However, deep scratches that penetrate the paint may still require professional repair. It is also beginner-friendly when the directions are followed carefully.
Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you like this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make a sure like, comment, subscribe.